this video I just want to share with you how you can build a blog and make money with it. So I've been building blog sites and websites for over 15 years. I've got experience in SEO, creating content, creating video. Over the years, I've perfected the whole entire process. Whenever I'm building a blog site or a website, is initially I do some research. I have to find an area which I'm really passionate about, something that I've got a lot of knowledge in, and that's where I go. Because the reason why passion is very important when you're building a blog site is that if you don't have any passion, then you're not going to stick to it. And the whole goal is to stick to this thing for about 10, 20, even 30 years. The essence of building a blog site that is going to make money and become successful. It doesn't happen overnight. When you build a blog site, you need to create content for it. You need to wait very patiently for the results to appear in the search engines. You need to do all the research. You need to be able to drive traffic to it, monetize it, and so forth. There's a lot of things that's happened. Just keep in mind that when you're building a blog site, you need to really be passionate in what you're creating. I've tried to create websites where I wasn't really interested in the subject. I just wanted to make money through the Google Adsense. And I did. I made a bit of money. I never stuck to it because I just gave up after about a few months and that was it. I jumped over to the next thing. So step number one is you need to find a topic that you're really passionate in and just stick with it. So it could be about business, it could be about relationships or health, whatever it is, and just go with that one there. The next part is that you need to set up your website so therefore you can start creating content for it. So number one is pick a platform such as WordPress. I'm always using WordPress. It's free. You can always just install it and then pretty much you're good to go. You need a domain name, you need hosting, and then you install a WordPress platform and you can get your blog site up and running in about 10 minutes. It's really, really quick. Once you've done that, the next step is to build up your blog site. So you need to build your blog site by creating more content. You need to upload articles. Make sure that your articles and your content is of really high quality and that very passionate in it, because when you're writing this content, it's going to show in your articles. Another thing is that you need to do search engine optimization. Search engine optimization is all about getting those articles appearing on the front page on Google, and you can use tools such as SEMrush, Google Keywords, so you can use those tools, keyword research. Now once you've started building out your content, you've started building up your website, you might notice a bit of traffic goes up. This is really good because the reason is once your traffic starts to increase, you can actually place Google AdSense on those web pages and you can start monetizing it. So I started generating lots of passive income through my website by placing Google AdSense. So sometimes I might get just only 20 cents per day, sometimes $10 a day, and it's really exciting depending on the amount of traffic that you get. If you've got a lot of articles, if you've got a lot of pages, if you've got a lot of content, then basically what you do is that put those Google AdSense on those pages, and therefore you might notice that your passive income just increases. Another way to generate passive income, affiliate links. So for example, let's say that you're writing some content about the latest hotel. You stayed at a really nice hotel, you weren't traveling, you stayed at these really nice hotels and locations. You might write an article about them and then you might place a link to their website with a referral link. So anyone who goes through that link and makes the purchase, you get paid commission. And this is another way of generating really great passive income, because in the past, whenever I go traveling, whenever I'm doing something, I'm always trying to find an affiliate link for that particular product or service. I'll put it on my blog site and anyone who visits that blog page, reads it and wants to make a purchase, they purchase it and I get paid. It's really just a combination of doing a lot of things with your blog site. You can earn income through Google AdSense, through affiliate marketing, and also through products and services. As you build up your blog site, you'll find that you have lots and lots of traffic going to it. You have lots of people who's interested in what you have to say, and they'll be contacting you, willing to do some sort of joint venture. So that's really exciting. That's another part of earning income, is through joint partnerships. So through these joint partnerships, you can construct some sort of deal where if you promote their product or your service on top of your blog site, then they'll pay you a commission or monthly fee, whatever it is, and you can get really creative in doing this. That's the three top ways in which you can earn income through building a blog site. Let's go recap. You need to set up a domain name, hosting, and a CMS platform such as WordPress. Next step, create the content, and third step is to monetize it by using Google AdSense, affiliate marketing. So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure that you subscribe to more of my videos. Let me know how you guys go in the comments. Look forward to hearing what you have to say, and let's keep in touch. Thanks.